Welcome everyone to week 6 of hybrid biology. This week we're going to be wrapping up our ecology unit with a discussion of how different elements are cycled throughout ecosystems with particular emphasis on carbon and nitrogen. Some announcements for the week. Just remember that as you watch videos on Edpuzzle, the expectation is that you are taking notes. The Edpuzzles are not optional. You need to do them. They count as a grade. They're easy hundreds just for watching the videos. You will be asked me to show you your notes when we finish up the unit, so make sure that you are taking notes. For copies of the Google Slides with the notes, you can go to the Ecology Unit folder. The schedule for this week has been changed because of the Professional Development Day on Friday the 23rd. Normally, we meet on Friday, but this week DEFG classes will meet on Thursday if you are in Cohort B. And then Cohort A, you will be getting work for me on Thursday instead of Friday this week, but you will have Friday off. Progress reports go out this Friday, so check iPass. Make sure you get me any missing work. And then potential test date is next Wednesday on the 28th. Be prepared to take the test next Wednesday. I am still waiting to hear about what the schedule is going to be that Wednesday. It's going to be a little strange because of the open house. I know we will have our regular morning time from 7:20 to 11, but I'm not sure about what the expectations are for after that. If in the event I do need to push the test back, it will be the next time we meet in person. So our objectives for the week are: you will use a model that illustrates the roles of photosynthesis, cell respiration, decomposition, and combustion to explain the cycling of carbon in its various forms among life, the biosphere, the atmosphere, water, the hydrosphere, and land, the geosphere. You will discuss the impact on carbon emissions on the environment and relate it to the recent wildfires on the West Coast. And you will analyze data in order to synthesize an answer to the question, why do carnivorous plants eat? So here is the schedule or the agenda for each day. On Wednesday, you're going to read the agenda, complete the attendance tracker. Please do not complete the attendance trackers early. A lot of people are doing that. You really need to wait to do them on the day that they are due, because if you do them early, then I can't mark you present for the day that you're supposed to do it. So wait to do those until the day that they are due. You're going to watch the Edpuzzle video on nutrient cycles. And then there's a carbon cycle pick your story activity with directions for that. Watch the videos with the directions, and then you're going to post the pathway you went through the carbon cycle into the discussion board. That is due on Wednesday, your initial post, and then by your next remote day, compare the pathway you took with 2 other classmates. The last time we did a discussion board, a lot of people did it, but did not respond to other classmates. Lose points for not responding to other classmates, so please make sure you do that. And then you're going to do the short activity on the carbon cycle and the California fires. For your remote day, the only work that you have to do is the study guide for the ecology unit test. I'm going to be posting that by the end of the day on a Wednesday. There will be an attendance tracker for you again. And then, just as a reminder, by your next remote day, you need to respond to 2 other classmates in the discussion board post. When we are in class, we're going to do an activity on carnivorous plants and why they eat and how they relate to the nitrogen cycle. And then Wednesday, the 28th, that is the potential test day. The study guide is due on the day of the test. We'll do just like we did last time. We'll have a Zoom meeting in the morning for some review, and then in the afternoon, we will do the test, assuming that we're taking the test that day. On the day of the test, I will post an answer key to the study guide, so that way in the morning before the test, when you are studying, you can look at the answer key and compare it to your study guide. And then you'll attend another Zoom meeting. If we're doing the test on this day, I will post those links for you then. But in the event we need to push the test back a day, then we won't need Zoom meetings. So I won't post links for that if we push the test back. All right, everybody. Good luck. Happy studying. And if you have any questions on anything, please send me an email.